Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix iPhone messages is not delivering when you are trying to send something, and if it's not working, neither it's not getting delivered. There are a few things we need to check first. So one of the reason why this is happening might be with the service provider might be having an issue, or make sure that you're having range. If you don't have the service, that is the reason why this is happening. So try changing from the position where you are at the moment. Maybe if you are in any kind of house or something, just go out and you have to check. Sometimes the issue might be with the service provider, so you have to make sure that you're having good signal strength over there, and that is what you have to do as the first step. Next one is all about what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. Now from here, go to the mobile service, and from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to network selection and make sure this is turned on. And also we just need to go back, and you can see there is an option called Wi-Fi calling. Make sure that you have to try turning on this, go for enable, turn on this one over here, and you have to check. If that is also not working, the reason might be with the iMessages. For that reason, we have to scroll it down all the way down, go to the apps and tap on it. Now from here, you can scroll it like this, or you can go over here at the bottom, tap over here and search for the respective app. So I'll type here for message. Now I need to tap on it. Now from here, first of all, you have to scroll it down a little bit and you can see iMessage. Try turning off this, and you have to try turning on this once again. So you have to do it, and then you have to check. And also parallelly, there is one more thing. If you scroll it down a little bit, you can see you'll be having an option here called resend as text message. You have to make sure this is turned on. If it is not, turn on this and make sure this. So after trying with this, and still if there is an issue, then what you need to do is there are a few things you need to try. One among them is all about what you need to do is you have to do a forced restart on your device. So to do a forced restart, what you need to do is you have to press the volume up followed by the volume down, and press and hold the power button over here unless and until you see the Apple logo. So let me do that, and make sure that you have to do this all in an instant. So you have to press volume up followed by volume down, and press and hold the power button over here, and keep pressing the power button, and only have to release it when you see the Apple logo. When you see the Apple logo, you have to release the finger, and all you have to do is just wait, so the phone will be going through a forced restart. Now unlock your phone, and you have to check. If that is not working, then what you need to do is go to the settings. Now from here, scroll it down a little bit and navigate to the general, and from here check for software update. So if the software update is available, what you need to do is try updating to the latest OS version that is available, and you have to check. So these are the steps you need to try in order to fix this issue, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.